tenant screening. Let's talk about it. So the question is, should you do the tenant screening yourself, or and then what if it's horrific, a disaster? What do you do? Okay, there is some perspective out there that says you should do the property management yourself. And then if it's a total disaster, then you hire a property manager, okay? There's the other perspective where you shouldn't do the property management yourself and you should just delegate it. So I've been on both sides of that, and I don't know what the right answer is. There is no right answer. I can share with you what I would do, but at the same time, I have been at this a couple decades. So when I was just starting out, I always wanted to save money. Now, I have more of a delegation, hire people mindset now, but I'm also in my 40s. I've also had a few hard lessons that I don't want to repeat. I have a little more disposable income that I did not have when I was in my 20s starting out. So there is no right or wrong answer on this. I just want to be clear. I think, again, it goes back to your personality, who you